Okay, so one problem you're going to run into when you're trying to make a bamboozle is the dreaded your file size is too big message here. Sorry, you can only upload 0.5 megabyte images. Unlock Bamboozle Plus to upload images that are up to 20 megabytes. Okay, so half a megabyte is pretty small, but you can resize any image that you want to use. So here's how you do that. I have a copy of our image that we're trying to use, little flat copy. So you open up your image and it opens in preview. And once you see that you're in preview, go to the Tools option and scroll down to where it says Adjust Size. Now you can see that at 100% resolution for this image, it's a very large file, 2.3 megabytes. Right? That's pretty big compared to the half a megabyte that Bamboozle allows you to have. So what you need to do to resize the image is go here where it says width and height and make sure this says pixels, because if it says something else, it'll be a little hard to deal with, right? So make sure your images that you have are being measured in pixels. And as you adjust the width, I'm going to go down to about 600. 600 usually gets you pretty close to about half a megabyte, because what's going to happen is they're going to scale proportionately. You see how the height changed here? And then you get an estimating resulting size down here. We're still at 855 kilobytes. Okay, it used to be 2.5, we're at 855. That's still too big. We need to be under 500 kilobytes. All right, so I'm going to adjust one more time, maybe take it down to 425. 425 should do it. That changes the height to 562, and you can see there now I'm at 467. That is under the 500 kilobytes that you're allowed to use. So you select OK. And that has now resized the image, and I should be able to use this new image for my cover art for the bamboozle board that we're about to make.